Hi, today we will have a very short look at this FM exciter from TEM, Italy. The problem is that this unit will be collected in let's say half an hour, and I have to make it ready for shipping, so it can only have a look into this unit. Lovely. Regulator, I guess, presumably. And this is the RF output connector. This is the N-type coaxial connector. So let's open it. Ah, beauty. Underneath this shielded can is the power amplifier. It delivers 20 watts. Another beautiful shielded can. Wonderful. Oh, some corrosion. Not too bad. They decided to have smaller caps, but the footprint shows that they're about to install some larger caps, of course. Ah. To close the unit and make it ready for shipping. Hope you enjoyed it anyway. See you next time. Bye bye. Look at that. There's no contact. Oh, Lundal transformers. Wow.